Welcome back to another Plan With Me video. If you are into bullet journaling, then this is for you. Today I'll be planning out July 2023 in my bullet journal. Here's a quick look at what I did for June, and then this month I will be doing a very cute and simple berry theme. Starting out with these doodles, I decided to use Crayola Super Tips throughout the whole month and just make it super streamlined and easy. This is a great theme if you're a beginner to bullet journaling, or if you just want something quick, simple, easy, cute, and fun and bright and summery for the summer. And I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it came together really cute, and it's just lots of fun colors. So go ahead and pick your color palette for your berries. I already did that here, and I'm making some raspberries, strawberries, and then I did grapes, which I don't really know if that's a berry. I don't think it's a berry. I realized I was going to do blackberries, but for some reason I made them like a grape shape, so I guess we just have grapes in there too. Then we have blueberries, leaves, and I just kind of sprinkled them all together and kind of bunched them together, and I added little black dots just for, like, I don't know, a little something extra. And then I also added, you'll see throughout the month, like swatches of like this like pink color just as like some background, but you can totally do this however you want, like make it waves on the page with the berries, or you could do them all in lines or patterns, or however you would like. This is a really easy theme to customize to how much doodling you want to do or all that sort of thing, and I think it came out super cute. And then for the writing this month, I decided to use the Crayola Super Tips to make like a faux calligraphy, and then I just used my normal handwriting in block letters with a black pen. So overall, super easy like overall this month. And I also used a black fine liner to just add the details on top of the berries. And then on this left hand side, I'm doing my quote page, and on the right hand side I will add July. And yeah, that is about it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys decided to do this month and what you went for and how you guys are doing. Also, I apologize for the lighting changes in this video. We went to the beach for a week, and I took my bullet journaling and my filming stuff, and the lighting was like really good, but it kept changing because we were staying by the beach and the sun kept covering the clouds. So I really apologize for that, but I hope you can still enjoy the video. So here I decided to kind of make it all of my berries go around the circle of July and make it kind of fun like that. And then I just added in my green as usual and my black details with my pen, and then I sprinkled some more berries around the page. Now we are going to move on to the calendar, and for this I just kept it pretty simple. I used the Crayola Super Tips, which you can get a really nice straight line with, and I just made all my boxes for this month. And then once I had done that, I went ahead and did the other side as well, and I'm doing kind of the same July lettering up here at the top. I just used the raspberry color this time, and then I just go and I thicken all of the downstrokes. I can't really do like real calligraphy yet. I'm still hoping, I'm practicing, but anyways, for now, I'm just doing the faux calligraphy look, and I love Crayola Super Tips for that, and they're really affordable and really nice because you can just get them at any store around you because pretty much everywhere sells them. So great affordable option. I definitely recommend if you're looking for some new markers and you need like a big variety of colors too. You could get the 100 pack, which I did, and there are so many color options, you can never run out. So here I'm just going to add the days of the week and then add some more doodles to my calendar page. Moving on to my habit tracker now, I'm going to repeat the same thing with like the calendar I did on the other page and just make a bunch of mini calendars here. And I'm just going to freehand all of the straight lines. I did sketch it out beforehand, so I had a little bit of a guide, but otherwise, if you just pull towards yourself, I find that that makes pretty straight lines. At least they're straight enough for me. And yeah, once I did that, then just the same thing, adding the doodles and the writing for this month. I went back to the purple marker here, as you can see. And I also like to add a little bit of like ombre effect, kind of. And if you just take the marker that you're using and go over just to top it a little bit, it will darken it and add that fun effect. So I did do that, and I find it works extra well with the Crayola Super Tips. For some reason, I'm not sure, versus other markers. And so yeah, I'm just adding the doodles to this page, and then I'll go ahead and add my to-do list to the other page. I just kept it pretty basic and simple this month because just summer and we don't have a whole ton of things that we're doing. But yeah, I'll go ahead and add whatever fun pages you want to your spreads. And yeah, here I'm doing my to-do list. I'm just repeating the same writing, and then I'll add the doodles. Finishing up the last details, and now we have our flip through for July in my bullet journal. I love how this theme turned out. I feel like it's perfect and colorful, bright for the summer, and I'm really excited to use it this month. So here we have our cover page, our quote, and I just love how it turned out. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Next up, we have our calendar page. I am also really happy with how this turned out and the writing and everything. I love the nice big clear layout. I really did like how last month's calendar turned out with the ice creams. It was fun. I don't know if you watched that plan with me video. I'll link it in the description box if you want to check it out. But I just love a good clean calendar. So here we have my habit tracker and my to-do list. And I'm a really big fan of just like the big open page. I can put anything I need on here, but go ahead and customize it to your needs and what works for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video, got some inspiration from it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and thumbs up so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. I respond to all my comments. And share this video if you think someone would enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.